I need to stop starting out so many videos like this. I'm gonna scare y'all away. I had to because today we're trying out a new palette. Well, it's not new, but it's new to me. I've never heard of this brand. It's by Beaute, and this is the Paradise Fallen palette. It's really pretty. It's got like flowers on it, and it's cruelty free. I've been really wanting to find some cruelty free and indie brands. I also like that the packaging is like the same as the box. Like, I don't think it's really working too well, but yeah, I like how it's matte, and then like these two are kind of like, I don't know. It's a really beautiful palette, and then the back is just purple, and it has like their little logo. Let me go ahead and open her up. Oh, the little thing's falling out. So it's got a mirror, and it's got a protective screen. So I'll go ahead and slide this off. And then here is the palette. I haven't even gotten to look at it myself, so I'm like, oh my god. Look at the size of the pans. Oh my god. I love how there's all these violets and then like these browns. Oh man. And they're so beautiful. Like, I don't even want to touch them and get them anywhere. Oh my god. Obsessed. I don't have anything to wipe my hands on, so I'm gonna wipe them on my pants. I freaking guess. I don't know. Alright, so there's Pure, Moon Glow, Stone, Orion, Vine, Cypress Tree, Shadow, I really like that shade, Twilight, Eve, Night Sky, Dusk, and Blackout. Incredible. I'm gonna take the little thingy off this mirror too. Oh my god, the mirror. There's you guys. See you in the camera. So let's go ahead and swatch the top row, and I'm gonna run out of hands. Hold on. How many shades? There's 12 shades in here. Huh, I thought there was 10. There are 12 shades in here. So we're gonna go ahead and like swatch these down my arm. Alright, so this one is Pure. It's really, really light. This is like more of the transition shade of the pack. And then here's Moon Glow. Try to put it like under. Okay, cute. My arms are so pale that you can't even see them anyway. Stone. Oh, this one's gonna show up. Alright. And here's Orion. Running out of fingers. Here's Vine. Cypress Tree. Shadow. Oh my god. I knew she was gonna be the most pigmented one of the bunch. Twilight. Eve. Night Sky. Dusk. Oh my gosh. Blackout. Girl, look at those. They are pigmented. Look at my hands. Post swatch. I think I'm gonna do one eye like with the brown shades, or maybe the cooler tone light shades, and then one with the purples. It's gonna be a having fun playing with makeup kind of video. Let's go. I don't even know where to start. Let's actually zoom in. I'm gonna prime here with some concealer. Wow. It didn't swatch very pigmented, so I didn't expect it to pick up and be pigmented like this. Next I'm gonna use this one. I knew this one was gonna be really pigmented. odd colors in here. I'm using that stone again, and I'm just gonna kind of try to soften that up a little bit more. I'm gonna take some concealer. Alright, so there's one eye worked on. Sky on like the outer part, and then let's go ahead and do Twilight like here. Having kind of a hard time getting them to pick up with the brush really well, so use my fingers. I actually think I like this one more. I'm gonna put some of that Moon Rock shade over this purple. Ooh, okay. I did something. I still think I actually like this one significantly more. Yeah, look how clean this side is. Alright. I'm gonna wipe this side of my face off, do it just like this, and finish my makeup, and I'll be right back. Alright, so here's the Paradise Fallen palette. I wiped this eye off and did it the same as this one, and then I finished my makeup. Girl. Yeah, I really like these shadows a lot. I'm gonna play around. Oh, wait. I'm gonna play around with the colors some more, and I'm probably gonna try to get some really good looks together. I know those purples, I just needed some more. Like, a lot of my brushes are dirty, the ones I prefer to use, so I might clean my brushes and just try blank slate with the purple. Plus this eye always, like, I guess it's my eye shape, it usually gets like chalky like through here, so I don't know why that happens, but yeah, I'm gonna give the purples another shot with better brushes, because I know they have potential. Yeah, I think it's gonna turn into one of my favorite palettes though, because the purples and the smoky eye all in one. We're here for it. This palette is the bomb. I'm gonna do a couple little more close-ups because I don't feel like I'm like zoomed in very much. Gotta zoom in to the point where it's scary. Okay. Alright, so I guess that's it for this one. Thank you guys so much for watching and supporting the channel. Liking and commenting helps so much, more than you know. This channel's growing and I'm so happy and proud of it. I've put a lot of hard work into making these videos. So thank you so much for the support and thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.